Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you 5 room decor ideas which I've recently made for my room. This is what my room looks like before and after. Let's start with the first DIY for making this. I took this old frame and stick out white sheets at front and started coloring out the frame in white and aqua acrylic color. For making these heart-shaped flags, I folded the paper 6 times and draw hearts on it and paint them in aqua color. For New Year resolution flags, I cut out these pink color sheets and wrote down my resolution for the year. After that, I glued them on a string and hung all of them on frame like this. My second room decor idea is this coat cushion. For this, I draw a big heart and place it on cushion like so and painted it in red and pink color. After this, I choose 2 of my favorite quotes from my notebook and write it down on it. And I think this DIY is so cute and inspirational. For this third DIY, I have covered this door with white net and some fairy lights and tied it out. At the ends, I have added these pom-pom which I made out of cotton and stitched it. My fourth DIY is this wall art, which is my favorite. There was a door behind it, but after this wall art, no one can see that. For this, I've taken plain sheets from a notebook and stick onto this door. After this, I marked straight lines after every 4 inches and colored them in pink color. After this, I made a stencil of joy and traced it out on red sparkle sheet and cut it out. And here we are having a beautiful wall art. Now this is our fifth and last DIY. I'm going to revamp this old and filthy switchboard. For this, I chose to color it in pink acrylic color and going to give it a white frame too. Dear friends, I hope you love these DIY ideas. If so, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And you can comment below what you want to see next. Till my next video, all of you beautiful souls out there, stay blessed and keep on crafting.